the car will not go in the gear, bro. What the? We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Big Play Ray, coming to y'all with another auction video, man. Hey, if y'all have not seen yesterday's video, y'all got to watch yesterday's video because this is the part 2 of yesterday's video. So y'all remember yesterday, in yesterday's video, you know, I told y'all dude gave me a $500 deposit to hold the car till until Monday. He gave it to me he gave it to me Saturday, and you know, now today is Monday. During the time of this video, it's a Monday. So dude gave me the $500 deposit, and I was asking everybody's opinion in the comments below on yesterday's video. What would they do? Would they keep the money? Would they keep some of the money? Would they give all the money back? You know, or what would you do? Now, for those of you who are going to say, well, if it didn't affect the way people, okay, let's just put it like this. People started hitting me up after dude gave me deposit. Ain't that just funny how stuff works? Like, that's crazy. Like, they had been hitting me up, but like it seemed like more hits was coming in as when I took that $500. A lady wanted to come out that same day, like an hour after he gave me the $500 deposit. So it's just crazy how stuff works, man. Like, you know, but I was telling y'all, I was asking y'all opinion on if it didn't affect the way you was selling the car, but it did affect the way I was selling the car because I couldn't respond back to those customers who were hitting me up. And I'm telling you, yo, they started hitting me up. That's crazy, bro. But you know, so y'all gotta factor that in there. So it did affect me, you know, selling the car. I think it did. You know, we don't know. I could have sold it. I might, you know, we don't know. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, man. wehustledaily.co. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn how to buy cars, sell cars, learn how to make money. And, you know, I'm going to show y'all how to do it, man. Buying and sell some whips, man. We about to get some Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A line ain't that long. So we about to get some Chick-fil-A. Y'all know sometimes this line be so crazy, I just pull off. As a matter of fact, I don't even pull off. I look how I just did and shit, keep driving. Sometimes they line be so long. But yeah, guys, it did affect the way I was gonna sell a car. Dude has not hit me up yet, man. Dude has not hit me up yet. It's bright and early in the morning. I don't even know if some people be up by 10 o'clock a.m. You know, it's 10 o'clock a.m. right now. So, you know, I don't know. But we gonna see, man. He ain't hit me up, y'all. He ain't hit me up. I'm got to keep this 500. I'm just playing, man. But yeah, so, and it's crazy, yo. I was getting everybody's opinion. I asked y'all in the comments. I asked people in real life, man, and it's just crazy. You know, some people say, well, you know, they'll give it back, and then some people like, man, no, hell no, they'll keep the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? And I had said in the last video that you know, I would probably give most of it back. You know what I'm saying? To just keep something. There's got to be some type of penalty. You know what I mean? But we're gonna see if he hit me up today. Let me order my little Chick-fil-A sandwich, and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I'll see you guys later if he hit me up. So we don't know yet. So let's see. Oh, that's another thing. Make sure y'all hit that join button. That's right by the subscribe button if you want to see earlier content that I release 2 to 3 weeks earlier on my channel. If you hit that join button, you can see the content. It's a monthly membership. If you already subscribe to the channel, you already Hustle Nation. But if you want to be a certified hustler, man, make sure y'all hit that join button. If you do not see it on your iPhone, I know y'all can see it on the Android phones, but if you do not see it on your iPhone, you have to go to like Safari or the like Google app and log in to YouTube and see the join button, or you have to go to it on a desktop or a laptop. So make sure y'all become some certified hustlers, man. I appreciate y'all supporting the channel, and we're growing, and you know, I just appreciate all y'all support. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Shout out to my certified hustlers, man. Y'all know y'all gotta, you know, get out and grind every single day. You already know how you know your boy Big Play Ray do it. I'm, you know, grinding every single day. So, you know, and yeah, we gonna see what dude do. So I just want to tell y'all about that, and I'll see y'all later. Hopefully I'll keep y'all updated if I get a call. If I don't get a call, let's see. Oh man, I didn't even get to bust open my sandwich, and he already making up excuses. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Damn. Alright, so this is what happened. He just hit me up. He said he don't know if he gonna be able to make it today. So maybe tomorrow. So of course, you know, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, but hey, let me he said maybe though, maybe, we don't know yet. But hey, let me ask y'all something. How many of y'all, let me know in the comments below, wouldn't wait for tomorrow? Because on the receipt, you know, I said that they're gonna, you know, I wrote it up stupid good, like super good. I wrote on there that, you know, what he did, non-refundable, he's gonna pay me today, this day, Monday, with the date. You know what I'm saying? Non-refundable, you feel me? I wrote it up good, y'all. How many of y'all in the comments would sell the car if y'all could today? You know what I'm saying? Well, I can't sell the car today because he said it might be tomorrow. So, you know, I mean, he said it might still be today. So, you know, you can't, you know, you just gotta wait. But I don't know. I'm just curious how many of y'all in the comments would be like, oh, you want to wait till tomorrow and sell the car? That's not funny, but I just want to know everybody's opinion, man. Because some of y'all, boy, y'all be saying some crazy stuff. So I just be curious. So I like hearing people's opinion on stuff, bro. Like, it just be super funny to me, man. Like, how many of y'all, you know what I'm saying, to go and sell the car? Probably most of y'all would probably say y'all wouldn't sell the car today. Y'all probably be like, all right, now if you don't come tomorrow, Wednesday I'll sell the car. So if you don't come Tuesday, Wednesday I would sell the car. How many of y'all, there we go, that's a better question. How many of y'all, if you give me an excuse today and don't come tomorrow, how many of y'all sell the car Wednesday? Y'all let me know in the comments below. But we're gonna see what he do, man. He did keep me updated, you know what I'm saying? So he called me in the morning as soon as I got my sandwich, and so he did update me, you know what I'm saying? But he said it might be today, but you know, he just having some technical difficulties, I guess. So we gonna see. But he said he think he's gonna pull it off today, but he was just saying just in case, you know, he can come tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So, but of course I will hold the car for the man till tomorrow, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, so y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all would do, man. And shoot, matter of fact, and he gotta come tomorrow because I'm going out of town Wednesday. Yep. So y'all let me know in the comments below. See y'all a little later. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Alrighty, Heidi, he called, man, and he's serious. Matter of fact, let me see if I can show y'all this picture real quick. I ain't gonna show the man face or nothing, but you see. So y'all see it, man. He got that money. Ooh, he coming with that money. So he sent me the picture, man. He said he got that money. So he said he'll be on his way after he go get some insurance or something like that. And I got everything I need. Y'all see your boy done changed clothes, man. So I'm about to go over here and make this cash. So dude was serious. So y'all let me know if y'all got some previous experiences on y'all keeping somebody money or something like that, because like I told y'all, this is my very first experience doing something like this, taking a cash deposit. It's my first time taking a deposit, like, period. I've never took a deposit before. Like, usually if you don't got the money, you know, I just sell the car. But if y'all know, the reason why I took a deposit on this car is because I've had this car for the longest time, like the longest time, Hustle Nation. Like, it's crazy. So, you know, it was like, damn, I might as well take a deposit, you know what I'm saying, on it, because shit, ain't nobody else hitting me up. So, you know, so if y'all got some stories, you know what I'm saying, y'all let me know in the comments below some stories y'all got on customers like not coming back to get their deposits, or you not giving the customer their money back or something like that, you know what I mean? So I'm just curious, hear everybody, see what they got to say. But let's not speak too soon, because we do not got the money yet. And I guess I can show y'all the car one more time if I beat him over there. And yeah, let's see. So it shouldn't be no games, but you just never know. All right, no time to really show the car, but man, the dude done beat me here, so I'm just gonna pull it out in the front. Pull it out in the front. Oh man, y'all remember how this thing looked from the other day, right? Oh, I'm about to say, what the heck did I do with the key? Yeah, you heard that, crank right up, my friend. So yeah, man, dude actually beat me here. That was a good thing, man. Dude, serious, man. And he came, man. This was up. So my first deposit experience that I've ever had, right here. So, man, it wasn't too bad, you know, because I have had some people tell me that they've experience been a little different, you know. So, trying to see if I could actually save this mask right here. You know, you gotta have mask on deck, man. Gotta have a mask on deck. So, yeah, guys, let me get up here and sell this car. I just wanted it to warm up a little bit, but y'all see this thing, man. Come on, man. I just cranked this thing up, man. This thing is a trooper. This thing's a trooper, man. Let me unlock. All the doors are already unlocked, you know. Come on, man. This thing be tripping when I first, You're embarrassing me now. Are you serious, bro? Yo. The car will not go in the gear, bro. What the hell? There we go. Boy. Better stop playing, man. This car tripping. All right, y'all. Let me get this car sold and, get it going. Shit, I'm glad that shit did that right now instead of when I got Alright, y'all, man. Y'all see the man. He got it in gear and everything. Just wanted to show y'all that before y'all be seeing something. You know what I'm saying? See, look, he riding, baby. He riding. Oh man. Yes, sir. He is riding and sliding. Yeah, so he riding. So, hold up. Alright. So y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see dude bought the car. Yeah, so he was serious, man. He came, cashed me out. And you know what's crazy was I was having a printing problem. Like the dang on printer was messing up. I ran out of ink, my bad. Yeah, I ran out of ink. I ran out of ink and I ran out of printing paper, man. It was horrible. So I gotta stop over here so I'll go get some printing paper at least. Yeah, so y'all see it, man. Dude was serious, so I ain't have to keep his deposit or nothing like that, you know what I'm saying, or keep none of it or anything. It was interesting hearing everybody's opinion in the comments below on what they thought, what they would do, you know what I mean? So, you know, everybody different. Everybody gonna do the business different. Everybody gonna buy a different car, you know what I mean? It just, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, but that, as far as the way the shift knob, I know I started laughing because it's just funny. But it's not funny, but it's just funny, man. Yeah, because I know y'all can't wait to say something like, oh, you gonna sell him the car and it wouldn't go in gear. Like, damn, bro, it's an old car. It just had a malfunction real quick. Like, damn, calm down, dog. Like, that shit gonna go in gear, bro. Appreciate you, homie. This shit gonna go in gear, dog. It did that to me before. That's how I know. Like, it be with that one, it was just tripping right then. But man, everything all good. As you seen, dude got it in gear. So that's why I started laughing, because I'm recording and this shit happened. It's funny. But yeah, y'all know that's a good car though. Stop playing. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Man, y'all gonna be having me dying in them comments. Y'all be saying some funny stuff. But hey, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out these whips, man, and buy and sell cars like your boy, because guess what? He riding. Yeah, you can say what you want to say, but Big Play Ray I couldn't even rhyme right there. I put people in cars that ride. You feel me? That it wouldn't even rhyme, but y'all know it is what it is. I'm recording. It is what it is. I messed up. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. I made a lot of money today. I'm gone.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.